Area problems. Example 2. A rectangle is 3 times as long as it is wide. If the length is increased by 6 and the width by 8, the area is increased by 108. Find the original length and width. First thing we're going to do is give the original length and width variable names. So first we name the width. Let width equal x. Then the length is 3 times as long as the width, so it's 3x. I'm going to draw a diagram so we can see a picture of what's going on in this problem. So we have a rectangle that's 3 times as long as it is wide. So we have x as the width, 3x as the length. In the second sentence, it says if the length is increased by 6. So we're going to extend the length out by 6. And the width by 8. All right, we have a new rectangle, and they tell us that this additional area is 108. Inside the shaded area. All right, this diagram will help us set up the equation. The area of the large triangle, or the large rectangle, from the picture we see is equal to the area of the smaller rectangle plus 108. This is the equation that we're going to solve. Area of the large rectangle is equal to area of the small rectangle plus 108. Well, using the area of a rectangle formula, length times width, starting with the area of the small rectangle, the length and the width are 3x and x. So 3x times x plus 108. All right. For the area of the large rectangle, the length is 3x plus 6. And the width is x plus 8. This area, this length is 3x plus 6, and along this side will be x plus 8. Back to our equation solving. Using the FOIL method, we're going to multiply those two binomials. 3x times x is 3x squared. 6 times 8, 48. And now we need our middle term. 6x plus 24x is 30x is equal to 3x squared plus 108. If we add a negative 3x squared to both sides, these will drop out of the equation. Now we have 30x plus 48 is equal to 108. We want to move the 48 over to the other side of the equation, so we're going to add a negative 48 to both sides. That will cause it to drop out on the left-hand side and appear on the right-hand side with the 108. 30x equals, if you add those two numbers together, that becomes 60. Using DLE, we'll divide by 30 on both sides. X equals 2. Go back up to the top where we named the width and the length. These are the original dimensions. The width is 2, and the length would be 3 times 2, or 6. They don't actually give you the dimension as far as centimeters, inches, miles, and such. So that's the final answer. The width is 2, the length is 6. And that ends our problem of the day.